Ronnie Ward from the Ditmas section of the Flatbush neighborhood, Brooklyn, in the city of New York. It's Friday, the first day of February 2025, or the 12th day of the Trump administration. This is an audio recording that I just made a few moments ago, and I would just point out the name of this law firm that I called is called Mubarak Law, but that's just a name. I don't actually know the name of the attorney or where they're from, their language. I don't even know if there really is an attorney. Not for sure. I can't even be positive it's a law firm because I don't know the name of the attorney, let alone where they're from, their language, or anything else. I would just point out one thing. The receptionist person who answered the call said, "Is this a good number?" Now, I hadn't given my phone number, but I asked, "What do you have?" Oh, 646-956-8494. And how do they know that? Because my number from my phone showed up on a screen that this person has. So they already know my phone number before they even know anything else. Now, what kind of situation is that? Well, anyway, here's the audio so you can listen to the rest. Yeah, Ronnie Ward from the Ditmas section of the Flatbush neighborhood, Brooklyn, in the city of New York. It's Friday, the first day of February, 2025, or day 12 of the Trump administration. It's about 12:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and, well, I was on YouTube. And, I came across a place called MubarakLaw.com that offers a whole host of legal services. It appears that this place is based in Orlando, but I'm not sure about that. But anyway, their phone number is 407-502-3000. Well, I'm calling it. I'm going to call it right now. Let's see what happens. Seconds. Minute and 25 seconds. On hold. With Mubarak Law, Orlando, Florida. MubarakLaw.com. Yeah, it's Ronnie Ward from the Ditmas section of the Flatbush neighborhood, Brooklyn, in the city of New York. The 12th day of the Trump administration. 707 502 3000. Mubarak Law. I just came across it on a YouTube short and saw it like just a few minutes ago. That's all. This is just one example. There are thousands of attorneys' offices like this all across the United States. This is just the one I happened to see a short on YouTube. There are others, big and small, solo practitioners and large firms.
How can I help you?
Yeah, my name is Ronnie Ward, and I saw, Attorney Mubarak on YouTube, and I was calling to see about representation.
Yeah, for sure. What type of process is it?
Yeah, I have a personal injury case.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And may I ask you a couple questions? Just
Go right ahead, yes.
Fill out an intake form. Sure.
I'm still here.
Yeah, just give me a second. I'm pulling this up. Okay. Can I please get your first and last name?
Yeah, first name is Ronnie, Ronnie.
Mm-hmm.
Last name is Ward, Ward.
Okay. And is this a good phone number to reach out to you?
Yes. What number do you have?
646-956-8494.
Yes, that works. So that's what I was talking about at the beginning. See, they already have my phone number. Yeah, isn't that great? Welcome to America.
Mm-hmm. All right. And also, what is a good email address for you?
Oh, 280.
Mm-hmm. Question.
Now, I did pause because I just don't want to give out my whole address in this video. It's not a secret, but I just didn't want it on this video. I did give it to the law office, though. Or whatever it is, a receptionist, some woman who answers a phone. I really don't know who it is. She's not an attorney, so I really don't even know.
Did that accident occur in Florida?
Yeah, I was down there over the holiday and had the accident in Florida.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Even though I'm a resident of New York.
Okay.
And I did have an accident, or a situation at least, while I was in Florida that may very well be personal injury. I'm not a licensed attorney in Florida, so I really don't know. I'm still calling to find out and shopping because you can pick any attorney you want. So that's all true. And it was in West Palm Beach. And I do give my actual email address. So I'm not doing anything untoward here. I'm being straightforward and honest. I am. But they have my phone number already.
And when did the accident happen?
Well, it was between Christmas and New Year. I'd have to double check. I mean, I didn't know I'd have to have all those details. I'm just making the initial call.
Yeah. Did you go to the hospital?
Yes, I did go to a hospital.
Okay. Within the first 14 days?
Oh, ma'am, I don't have those details. I'm just calling to find out if Attorney Mubarak's somebody I'm interested in. I don't have all of those details, ma'am. I could get them, but...
No, my question was if you went to the hospital.
Well, yeah, I went to the hospital the day of the accident.
Perfect.
Is Attorney Mubarak licensed outside of Florida? I mean, I'm called because it seemed like he was in Florida. Is he licensed in other states or only in Florida?
No, for personal injury, it's just for Florida.
Oh, okay. Well, 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 my spouse, or, well, not exactly my spouse. Well, spouse, we'll just say, here in New York, is from a foreign country. And do you help with immigration issues as well?
Yeah, we're immigration and personal injury office.
Okay. Now, is immigration in any state or just Florida?
Any state.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, that would be a secondary thing. The first thing is this accident.
Okay.
And I do know people, whether they're my spouse or not, who have immigration issues. So that's correct as well. I mean, I can't be expected to give all my details to some stranger who's not even an attorney on the phone, can I? When I'm just calling to find out? To do comparison shopping? I don't think so. What else do you need to know?
Do you have any information about where did the accident happen?
Yeah, in West Palm Beach. And I was in West Palm Beach during this time. I was in Florida. So, what happens after this? I mean, I have more than one attorney's office to call, so I'm just sort of shopping. Because I know it matters the attorney you have. I mean, to what kind of result you get. So, I mean, I'm not calling you to give you the case. I'm calling to comparison shop.
I understand. So, when someone calls for an accident, we need to take a couple of information from the person, and we send the whole information to the attorney. So, we ask you a couple of questions, a brief summary of what happened.
All right.
We send it to the attorney, and then he gives you a call back.
Okay. So, I don't know who the attorney actually is at all. I don't know who this person is either. But look at the information that you're asked to give. Just a comparison shop on a personal injury case. Oh, wait till you hear the part about immigration. Yeah, the difference. No consultation for personal injury, but a consultation that schedules a meeting, I would figure, through an app service over the internet, because I'm not going to go to Florida if that's where this attorney is. Not that I know if there's even an attorney. I have no idea.
To let you know, what's going to happen.
All right, thank you very much.
That's okay with you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
I guess it's different for immigration. Because if I go with this personal injury case with Mubarak, then most likely I'll do my immigration there too. I might not, but, you know.
It's pretty different. So we don't require a consultation for personal injury. You just give me a call to let you know what we're gonna do about it. But
yeah, do you notice the accent there? The accent of the person. There too. I might not, but you know.
It's pretty different. So we don't require a consultation for personal injury. You just give me a call to let you know what we're gonna do about it. But for immigration, you need to set up a consultation. So we check the nearest availability, and we take another intake form related to the immigration. We ask you it's a whole different matter.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So I do have to go here in a few minutes. But what else do you need from me?
Do you want me to send you the whole form so that you can answer the questions.
You can hear the accent there again.
Well, I do have to go here in a few minutes. But what else do you need from me?
Do you want me to send you the whole form so that you can answer the questions?
Sure. Can I give you my email address? Or do you want to? How do you want to send it to me?
I can take it right now. Just give me 1 second. I'm trying to put someone on hold.
Yeah, no problem.
Yes, sir. I'm ready for the email.
Yeah. It's RonnieWardUSA@gmail.com.
Got it. I will send you that right now.
All right. Thank you very much.
No problem. My pleasure. Have a good one.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Well, there you heard it. This is just an example. It could be Mubarak, or it could be Bailey, or it could be Woods, or it could be Xinjiang, or it could be anything. Any attorney firm. I don't know if this person Mubarak, I don't know if that's even the name of the attorney. I just know that's the name that was on MubarakLaw.com. I don't know who Mr. Mubarak really is or not, or where he's from, his nationality, his language, or anything. And that was just a receptionist, not even in his office. No, that's a hired receptionist. That's not somebody in the attorney's office. So, as you can see, I gave my real name, and I was in Florida, and I did have an accident. And spouse, well, that doesn't mean I'm married, so spouse could mean anything. So I wanted to find out about the immigration. You heard it. Yeah, this phenomenon was not possible before the pandemic of 2020. Is it pretty clear now how far-ranging and reaching and penetrating it is, what got propagated out through colleges primarily and businesses at the beginning of the pandemic using these services? Can you see what happened in the United States? I don't know what happened anywhere else, but I was in New York City in September of 2019. So I know what it was like before this happened. And I was in college in a graduate program. And I'm still here in New York, almost 5 years later, come September of 2019. So I've seen it in New York City anyway. Not all of New York. It's too big of a place. But I've seen enough. Ronnie Ward, from the Ditmas section of the Flatbush neighborhood, Brooklyn, in the city of New York, the United States, North America, planet Earth. Oh, by the way, do you want to come and take a swim in the Gulf of America? Or perhaps go visit Greenland or one of the territories of Canada? You know, as Trump said, the 51st state? Well, anyway, the 12th day of Trump's administration, Friday, the 1st day of February, 2025.
Well, Ronnie Ward, from the Ditmas section of the Flatbush neighborhood, Brooklyn, in the city of New York. I want to stress it's not about any particularly named firm, because I don't even know if that firm exists. I don't. It's just a website. That's not the point. The point's already been made about what happened in the spring of 2020. Yes. And 4 years of the Biden administration and all the people under him, wherever they're at, NGOs, entrepreneurs, corporations, foreign powers, other countries, individuals, propagating out this technology far and wide of all the uses of this. Who benefits from the greater use of all the technology? You have to ask yourself that question. Who benefits? Yeah, we know where the detriment came, but who benefits? What benefits? Yeah. What corporations, what individuals, what foreign powers, what NGOs, what individuals in the United States, outside the United States, American corporations, foreign corporations. Yeah, just ask yourself, who benefits? Yeah, we know the detriment. Who benefits? What benefits? Where do they benefit? And how do they benefit? Ronnie Ward from the Ditmas section of the Flatbush neighborhood, Brooklyn, in the city of New York. Friday, the first day of February 2025, the 12th day of the Trump administration.